Do you want to speed up your Windows 11 PC or save battery by closing the background apps? If that's the case with you, this video is for you. I will walk you through exactly how to stop the apps from running in the background step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to simply come in your laptop or PC. You need to simply open it. Now over here you can press the Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key in order to open the task manager, or what you can do is you can right click on this taskbar of yours, then select the option of task manager. Now whichever option you choose, you are going to be landed on this task manager page where you need to make sure that you are in the processes tab. Now over here you will see all of the applications that you have currently used. So you need to select that particular app that is running in the background and that you are not using. After selecting the app, you need to right click on it and click on the option of end task. So this is going to basically stop them instantly, but remember, don't close the system apps or anything that you don't recognize. Now in the step 2, you can disable the background applications via your settings as well. For that, you need to simply come in the settings of your device. In your settings, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on apps. In your apps, click on the option of installed apps. Now over here on this page, you will see the list of all of the applications that are installed in your PC or in your laptop. So you need to click the three dot menu next to any of the application. Over here you need to select the advanced options, and under the background app permissions you can choose never, and this way you can repeat this for any of the application that you don't want running in the background. Now you can also disable the startup applications. This is optional, but you can also do it. In the task manager itself, you will see the startup applications tab. So if you just click on it, you can disable the apps that you don't need to launch at boot. For that, you can just right click on that and disable it from here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.